Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Microsoft Copilot in MS Office with a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Subscribe the plan. To access Copilot in 2026, you need one of two things. For individuals, you need Microsoft 365 Personal or Family plus a Copilot Pro add-on. For business users, you need a Microsoft 365 Business Plan, Basic, Standard, or Premium, or an Enterprise E3, E5 license. Copilot only works with the latest current channel version of Microsoft Office. To update it, open any Office app like Microsoft Word, then go to File, Account, Update Options, and click Update Now. Remember, you can't expect 2026 AI features to run properly on outdated 2024 software. Next comes a very important fix if you already purchased Copilot but still can't see the feature. Go to File, then Account. Under the Product Information section, look for the Update License button. Click on it, sign into your Microsoft account again, and then restart all your Office applications. In many cases, this simple refresh instantly activates Copilot. And that's it. By subscribing the plan and updating your Microsoft 365 Office Copilot will be added. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.